don't forget there are two different questions that needs to be addressed here. One is the ethical or moral issue of whether they should or should not step down. Yeah? A separate question is what are the constitutional and legal provisions that would compel them to step down. And we are saying, whereas the principles that are set out in Chapter 6 are clear, and Article 75 even has consequences, yeah? But the same Chapter 6 in Article 80 requires legislation that would provide for the procedure and mechanism. That is what would answer in any particular case, because you must have a mechanism, yeah, that is going to determine that on the facts you have breached Chapter 6 of the Constitution, and therefore this is the consequence. Because otherwise, people will just be, everybody will be giving their view. I will be saying, you have breached Chapter 6. You will be saying, no, I have not breached Chapter 6. And that is why the framers of the Constitution considered it necessary to have the legislation contemplated under Article 80 so that it provides for those procedures and mechanisms that will give effect to the rest of the provisions of Chapter 6. And in the same 80B will provide for additional penalties where Chapter 6 has been flouted. Kwa sasa hilo jambo, kujibu hilo jambo, itabidi lazima jambo hilo liende mahakama, ndio mahakama iangalie sura ya 6 na iseme kulingana na sura ya 6, ya, umekeuka sura ya 6, kwa hivyo hauwezi kugombea, ama haujakiuka, kwa hivyo unaweza kugombea. Vile tunavyosoma katiba kwa sasa, ila tu bila kwenda mahakamani haiwezekani kuweza kujibu hilo swali.